Really cool thing if you have subscribed to some different calendars and are using the Google Calendar. What you're seeing is the screen of my phone. It happens to be an Android phone. You can do the same thing on an iPhone. The first thing that you needed to do was go into, in my case, I went to the Google Play Store, or you could go to the iPhone App Store, whichever, and download the app for Google Calendar. And it is right here. A cool thing about Google Calendar is that the little icon will show you the date for today. It changes every day. When I open this up, I have got my calendar. And here is, so these are all the things that are on my major calendar on the computer, and it just shows up on my phone. Here's a couple things that you can do with this. Refresh it if something has changed with your calendar. Make sure that your phone one matches your matches your one on your computer. Here's your choices for how you can look at it. A schedule just shows you the next things that you've got on your calendar. You can have a day view, which is showing blocks like this. You can have a 3-day view, a week, or a month, which is a little bit more than I need. But I'm going to go back to my schedule, and this is showing me today. And for example, I have got a rehearsal scheduled for tonight. When I click on it, it tells me where it's at. It tells me the calendar that I got it from. And this is kind of cool. If I were to click on this, it launches Google Maps and will give me directions to get there. Not a big deal when you're going to a place that you've been to before, but you can, it's nice when you're going someplace you haven't been to before. Saves you having to look up your directions and figuring out how it is that you're going to get there. You can look ahead in your life here and see what's going on. Or you can go back to today by clicking on the 16th, which today happens to be. So that is really the kind of nice thing about overlaying all your calendars. It's in your hand, and you can see it going forward. If you need to add something to your calendar, you can do this. This gives you another opportunity to say, gosh, I'm going to have lunch with my friend, change the dates and the times, save it, or discard it if that's not something that you really want after all. So that's the advantage of how overlaying these multiple online calendars helps you with your when you're on the go and you've got your phone with you.